Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best tire repair rubber nail set reviews. Feature 1. Can fill the gap where the inner diameter is less than 5 mm, no damage to the tire, no air leakage. A simple and efficient tire repair can be completed by inserting a nail into the tire wound. 2. Easy to operate, convenient to install with this tire repair nail. Repair the tire by yourself, do not need to find a car repair shop, economical and time-saving.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.